Welcome to my new hands-on courses. These courses actually will be located here in my home, in my basement. I have it set up a specific way for you guys so that you are able to learn hands-on with me. Those courses are held mostly at the end of every month. The dates and everything are already ready, so all you have to do is scroll down below and pick whichever date that you want. The cost is $497 for the course. You will be here for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. What's included in everything is a nice light breakfast. Lunch will also be served, as well as all of your tools that you need for the hands-on course will be provided for you. The only thing you will need to bring is definitely a sewing machine and the hair that you're going to be using to learn from. I'll make sure that I link everything that you need to know when you sign up for the course, so you'll know what hair to get if you need links in order to find the hair, or if you need me to provide that hair and you pay for it. So just making sure you guys are very clear as to what everything is included and how you can get everything. So it's $97 to sign up. That's just a non-refundable deposit to save your seat. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure that you pay the remainder balance at least a week before your date. If you are visiting here to Detroit to take a hands-on course with me, once I get in contact with you to confirm everything, I will make sure you know about lounging areas like hotels and a place that you can sleep if you are coming from anywhere outside of Detroit, Michigan. So definitely I'll make sure you get all of the information that you need so you can enjoy a course with me, and I'll see you guys in my hands-on course.